Hey everybody, happy midweek to you. It's Coach Brenda Kelly here coming to you. So it's the middle of the week, it's Wednesday. And usually, I think about Mondays. Usually on Mondays, everybody is really, on top of it. I got to get some weight off. I messed up over the weekend. I'm starting over. And so on Mondays, we're all hype about getting back in and doing what we need to do, making our lunches. We did our meal prep. And so now it's Wednesday. And by Wednesday, either you finished all the stuff that you meal prepped and you're feeling like, okay, what am I eating? What are we doing, today? And I'm here to show you. So I'm talking all about energy this month, and I have an energy smoothie for you. Now, last week I was at my mom's, but this week I'm home and I have most of the products, the things that I need to make a high energy smoothie. So let's talk about it here for a few minutes. So first of all, I'm starting out, I have my fruit. And last week I just put strawberries in, but I'm adding strawberries. And I did a cup of strawberries, but I'm going to do like 3/4 cup because I don't know. I may want a little extra. Strawberries. So these are frozen strawberries that I have here. Next, I have a 1/2 cup of blueberries. Now, blueberries are, and the strawberries are antioxidants. These blueberries, they're little things, but they're strong with antioxidants. And when we talk about antioxidants, if you've ever heard someone say oxidative stress or oxidation in your body, that's where your body is rusting. It's really like rusting, eating the wrong things, processed foods, all these things that you shouldn't be eating. So we want to add some antioxidants to improve your that stress, that rusting in your body. Another thing that I'm going to add is a banana, and I think I cut this banana too big, so I'm going to use the other piece. It's like smaller. So we have just a little piece of banana, and I do have some in the freezer, but I had already cut this one, so I'm going to use it. Then I have some almond milk. And I'm doing like a 1/2 cup, maybe a little more of almond milk because I want to make a smoothie bowl. Okay, so I'm adding my almond milk. A 1/2 cup, usually it's a 1/2 cup if you want it thicker. And the next thing that I have is peanut butter. I didn't have that last week, and I almost always put some peanut butter. So you take your peanut butter, or you can put almond butter, whatever you have, and add that too. And I'm doing I'm doing a tablespoon of peanut butter in here, okay? And after that, I am doing 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. 2 tablespoons. So I have some chia seeds. I'm actually going to finish these up because I have another jar of them. So 2 tablespoons of chia. And chia seeds, let me just tell you a little bit about chia seeds. Chia seeds have 9 grams of fiber. It has 8 grams of healthy fat, 5 grams of protein, and other vitamins and minerals. So you want to add some chia seeds, and I'm doing 2 tablespoons. So 2 tablespoons, that's a good amount of protein, healthy fats. So we're adding the chia seeds. All right. And I also have here protein powder. So I have it's by Melaleuca, and it's ProFlex, and it's a lean protein mix. Okay, so I have my scoop of protein powder. This is packed with healthy fats. It's packed with protein, nutrients that improve your health. So, all right, last I have some dandelion greens that I'm going to add to the smoothie. And I forgot to bring them over. So give me a minute. So we're going to take these dandelion greens and add them to the smoothie. But you know what I'm going to do before I do that? I'm going to get it started and then add my dandelion greens. So here we go. And you guys, it's raining today. How's the weather in your area? It is raining. I did get my walk in, but it is really raining now. Thunder is going on and all of that good stuff. Okay, so I've got it mixed up. We're gonna do a quick. Okay, everyone, I am back with just a few things. I just finished my smoothie, finished making it, and here it is. It is a blueberry, strawberry, banana smoothie with protein powder in it. I'm just giving you the rundown of what's in it. I also have 2 tablespoons of chia seeds in here, as well as some dandelion greens. Now, I added the dandelion greens and I tasted it, and it doesn't really, it's kind of like spinach or kale. You can't really taste it, maybe a little bit more with kale than with the spinach. But you cannot taste the dandelion greens, and they're packed. I'm going to tell you just a little bit of what the dandelion greens consist of. Also, I added the pumpkin pie spice. Now, I always add cinnamon or some kind of pumpkin pie spice. I buy up a lot of pumpkin pie spice over the holidays in the fall so that I have it all through the year because I use it on everything. But let me tell you a little bit about the dandelion greens. So the dandelion greens are a prebiotic. Now, we hear a lot about probiotics, but the prebiotic also helps with gut health. Dandelion greens are an antioxidant as well. It has antioxidant properties in it. It improves the immune system. It is a liver detox. It also helps with improving kidney and gallbladder function. So the dandelion greens are really good. It said here that it's a superfood, and sometimes people tend to think it's better than kale or spinach. It removes toxins from the kidney as well as the urinary system. So these dandelion greens are good. I went to the farmer's market this morning and I bought a few things, and that was one of the things that I bought. I bought some broccoli, I bought some dandelion greens, and I bought what is that fruit called? Oh Lord, where is it at? Anyway, it's high in fiber, so I'm gonna try it. When I try it, I'll come back and share it with you. I don't know. I'm 60 years old, right? So maybe that's it. But antioxidants, it's important that you get in as many as you can, and you can find it in a lot of fruits. The blueberries are especially packed with antioxidants. So I am going to sit down and have my smoothie. I did not eat yet today. I got up, took my granddaughter to school, and I went and did my workout. So this is my first meal of the day, and I think I'm gonna drink this, and I'm gonna lay down and take a nap. How does that sound? Naps are always good, and I can do that. It's just me today. So, all right, I just wanted to share that with you. It's hump day, it's Wednesday, midweek. Do something that will improve your health. Do something that will make you feel better. Your mood will feel better because you're taking care of yourself. Remember, small steps every day, and try to get a smoothie in every day. All right, have an amazing rest of your day. I'll be